Let's see how to print in portrait orientation in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, by default, Microsoft Word automatically has portrait mode on every time you open documents. However, just to ensure that your document is in portrait mode before printing, first click on the Layout tab, and from here, click on Orientation, and make sure that you click Portrait. And now, let's go ahead and print our document. And as you can see, right here on the preview, we have it in portrait mode because that's what we set the document to. However, you can also choose your orientation when you're printing. So right here, look for this setting, either portrait or landscape orientation. Now, when you click on one of those, Microsoft Word will automatically make changes to your document. And if you want to print in portrait orientation, just simply click on that and click on print, and that should print your document in the portrait orientation. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.